Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to track and remove objects in Davinci Resolve Fusion. This is an incredibly useful technique for cleaning up your footage, whether you need to remove unwanted elements or fix distracting objects in your shots. Let's jump right in and get started. First, open your Davinci Resolve application. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen and click on Fusion. This will take you to the node-based compositing workspace where all the magic happens for advanced visual effects and object removal. Now that you're in Fusion, click on the Media In node. This is the starting point for your footage in the node tree. With the Media In node selected, look for the brush icon in the toolbar and click it to add a paint node. The paint node is essential here because it gives you the tools to manually brush over and remove objects from your frame. Next, head to the top toolbar and click on the single brush icon to select it. This ensures you're working with a single brush stroke at a time, giving you more control over the removal process. Once that's selected, shift your attention to the right side of your screen where you'll find the inspector panel. Click on brush controls, and here you can adjust the size of the brush to match the object you're planning to remove. Take a moment to set it to a comfortable size that suits your needs. For this example, let's say we want to remove a hot air balloon from our shot. To do this effectively, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard. While holding Alt, click on the background area surrounding the object you want to remove. This samples the background texture and color, which Davinci Resolve will use to replace the unwanted object. Now carefully brush over the hot air balloon that you want to remove. Take your time with this step and repeat the brushing process until the object is fully covered and starts to blend into the background. Don't rush this part. Precision here makes all the difference in achieving a clean result. Once you've finished brushing, click the cursor icon at the top toolbar. Now simply click and drag over the area where you removed the object to select it. After selecting it, click the group icon at the top to group your brushstrokes together. Grouping helps keep your work organized and makes it easier to apply tracking in the next steps. Now, on the right side in the inspector panel, find the center option. Right-click on center and select Modify Width. Then choose Tracker Position. This links your paintwork to a tracker, allowing the removal to follow the movement in your footage automatically. Next, click on Modifiers in the inspector. You'll need to connect the nodes properly now. Click and hold on Media In, then drag it to Tracker Source. This tells the tracker which footage to analyze and follow. Finally, under the Tracking section, click the forward arrow icon to start the tracking process. Davinci Resolve will now analyze the footage and apply your object removal across the entire clip. Just give it a moment to process, and once it's done, you'll see the object seamlessly removed and tracked throughout your shot. And that's it. You've successfully tracked and removed an object using Davinci Resolve Fusion. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.